It was all joy and celebration as the Deputy Governor of Anambra State, Dr. Onyeka Ibezim, and other dignitaries within and outside the government circle joined Chief Nnajiofor when he gave out his daughter, Miss Ifeoma Nnajiofor, out in traditional marriage in Awka. The colorful ceremony, which attracted guests from different walks of life who came to share in the joy of the couple, featured dancing by the couple and bridal train. Tochukwu has the details.
Speaking to the ABS, the groom, Mr. Tochukwu Okpala, who is from Aba, Njikoka local government area of Anambra State, explained that the journey of their love started when they met in an occasion and he fell in love with her, which culminated to their marriage. The bride, Miss Ifeoma, who expressed happiness for the day, noted that her husband is a good man and prayed for a fruitful marriage. In his reaction, the father of the bride, Chief Nnajiofor, said it's fulfilling to see her daughter married, advising young men to take the bold step in getting married, to live a responsible life, and prayed for a fruitful union for the couple, while the wife, Mrs. Nkiru Nnajiofor, prayed for God's guidance for the young couple in their journey of marriage.
And I thank God for today because I know that God is with us. I'm very happy. So my prayer for them to have children, not only one or two, even twins. That God will protect them, guide them, and prosper them in the mighty name of Jesus.
Some guests who attended the event, including Mr. Leo Okafor and Ken Nwanna, wished the young couple well, advising them to always put God first in all they do.
We enjoy where they are planning of God will give them their desire.
The ceremony, which also had the managing director of Anambra Broadcasting Service, ABS, Sachido Ubidiegu, in attendance, featured cutting of cake and presentation of gifts to the couple by individuals and groups, amongst others. In Awka, it's been Tochukwu for ABS News.